identifying the leader and or the whip who carried the will of the political party would be an impossible task. Any conclusion reached would be without basis in law and evidence of fact. The submission that the UBT faction shall be taken as a real political party is entirely based on the conjuncture that if there will be a decision taken in relation to the political party by Rashtriya Karyakarni, then UBT faction would have had the majority. At this juncture, the petitioner's claim about a meeting purportedly held on 25th June 2022 has to be dealt with. It is the petitioner's case that Rashtriya Karyakarni meeting was held on 25th June 2022 and certain resolutions were passed. In support of this case, petitioner has produced certain resolutions of 25th June 2022. Those documents are disputed by respondents. Mr. Jetmalani, learned counsel for respondent, objected to the said documents being considered on the ground that they were forged and fabricated and demonstrated this before me by showing two separate documents, one annexed by the petitioner Shri Sunil Prabhu to his affidavit in lieu of examination of chief and the other set of the same documents which are annexed to the Supreme Court Convenience Compilation Volume 2. In the first set of documents annexed to the affidavit in lieu of examination in chief, termed as minutes of the meeting of Rashtriya Karyakarni, and purportedly 7 resolutions passed in the said meeting. In none of the resolutions there is any signature of any person whose name are shown on the said document. Only on page 105 of Sri Sunil Prabhu's affidavit in lieu of examination in chief, there is a sole signature of Sri Vinayak Raut, who is shown as Shivsena secretary. The perusal of the said document shows that the meeting was termed as Rashtriya Karyakarni. In the second set of documents, which are annexed to the Supreme Court Convenience Compilation Volume 2, the resolutions are shown on different pages and they are not part of any minutes which was annexed to the affidavit in lieu of examination in chief of Sri Sunil Prabhu. These resolutions are shown on the letterhead of Shivsena, Rashtriya Karyakarni Baitak into bracket Pratinidhi Sabha. Petitioner relied on these documents to show that 7 resolutions have been passed, but in none of these documents there is even a single signature, save and except for signature of 2 persons. The name mentioned as proposer and seconder are not even members of Rashtriya Karyakarni, like Shri Rahul Shivale, who is not a member of Rashtriya Karyakarni, who has stepped into the witnesses and led evidence that there was no such meeting. The same is the case with Shri Vinayak Raut and Shri Arvind Sawant. They are also not members of the said Rashtriya Karyakarni. The petitioner had claimed that the said meeting was held on 25/6/2022 at Sena Bhavan, whereas Shri Uddhav Thackeray claimed that the said meeting was held through video conference. This has been stated by Uddhav Thackeray in his submission before the Election Commission filed on 9/1/2023.